Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here. So in today's video, we're going to learn what is the XRP, where you can buy it safely, and how you actually buy it, and where you can store it safely. For example, you can store the XRP in the Trezor wallet, which you can get in our links down below. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Alright, so what is the XRP that actually a lot of people call it as Ripple? So Ripple is not the name of the token. XRP is a token that represent value in the crypto network that is named RippleNet, okay, or Ripple. Now, this is an amazing network that, in my opinion, someday might take a big part of our economy. And the main reason is because this network can make so much transaction per second. Like, according to the website, they can get up to 1,500 transactions per second. Now, for comparison, so Ethereum makes around 20 per second and Bitcoin between 4 and 5 per second. So understand the massive opportunity that can make with their work. And one of the best things that I love about XRP is that they almost have no fees. And the main reason is because it's not like Ethereum or Bitcoin that there is mining involved. There is a different technology that actually makes the verification very, very simple. Every transaction should be verified with several nodes, and only after a verification of around 80% of the nodes, then the transaction is verified, which sounds complicated, but actually it makes the process much faster than the big network that you know, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. XRP is an amazing token that the main idea is that you can use it universally. And this is the idea of this company, okay, that was founded by 2004. Now, the main idea, it will help you to eliminate all the huge fees that are involved when you're doing transactions universally. Okay, so let's say that, for example, you're going to a trip to Switzerland. Okay, so the Swiss franc is not the US dollar. So let's say that you're from the USA and you want to go to a trip there. You need to make a transaction of your money. And because you don't use US dollars in Switzerland, you need to change it to Swiss francs. Now, we're talking only if you need to do it like in fiat money. Okay, like dollars, euros, and stuff like that. So let's say that you went to the trip to Switzerland. So it cost you some fees to transact some money. Okay, so let's say that you transact $1,000. So it cost you around $20. So let's say that. And then after you went to the trip in Switzerland, you want to go to Nigeria. So the Nigerian and Euros is not a very popular currency in Europe because, you know, it's Europe. So they're not using the Nigerian money. They're usually using euros or the money that is in Europe. So if you have francs and you want to go to Nigeria, what happens is that because Nigeria probably have dollars, because the US dollars is actually a reserve currency around the world. So it means that actually the Swiss banks probably don't have Nigerian money, but they probably have US dollars. So in order to have Nigerian currency, you will need to transact your Swiss franc, change it to US dollars, okay? And then to transact the US dollars into Nigerian money, which is absolutely inefficient and probably will take you a lot of fees. The idea of XRP, the Ripple, is that it will actually save you all this headache, because the vision is that someday there will be a universal currency that you will be able to use and to transact from different currencies. And that way you will have almost no fees. And their vision is that they will get to the amount and the capacity of the transaction of Visa, which is 65,000 transactions per second. And I believe that crypto will take a big part of our economy in the future. And that's why I buy different currencies that I believe in and that I read on, and also I hold them safely in a hardware wallet. So for example, an amazing hardware wallet which you can hold your XRP safely is the Trezor wallet, which you can get in our links down below. Now, as you can see in Binance, XRP is actually in the top 15 in the crypto market, which is pretty amazing. Now, this is how you can buy XRP safely. So first of all, if you don't already have an account, you should register. If you don't, you should log in. Now, after you logged in, you can actually go to the XRP, okay, click it, and then you can choose advanced trade, classic trade, which is, I just take the classic trade. Then you will get to this screen, which looks very complicated, but you don't need to look on those charts, okay? And all you need to do is then just to type the amount of the XRP that you want. So for example, you want 3 XRP. So you will see that it will cost you 0.007569 BNB. Okay, BNB is the currency of Binance. So as you can see, if you don't want to buy it with a BNB, you want to buy it with your own with your own money, whether it's with a credit card or money that you passed in here. You just click with buy with USD, and then you actually choose your currency, whether it's a USD or not. Okay, so for example, you can choose all of this currencies. Okay, so let's say that you're from Europe, you want to buy it in euro, you want to buy it in pound and stuff like that. If you're from Hong Kong, so you can buy it with Hong Kong dollar. After you actually type the amount that you want to buy, so let's say that for example you want to buy it in 15 US dollars, you will get 16 XRP. Now the numbers can change from time to time because the value is changing, and then you can also click on sell if you want to sell. Now it's very recommended, okay, that you won't keep your cryptocurrencies in Binance in order that it will be safe. Okay, so even if someone, I hope not, but even if someone hacks into Binance or to any exchange market, so you won't get hurt from it because your cryptocurrencies, you hold it offline. Okay, offline in a hardware wallet. Now there's a lot of options, and a great option that is actually very easy to use and they have amazing customer support is the Trezor wallet, which you can get in our links down below. Now as you can see, in the past month it has a small rise, but then it started to decrease more and more, and I think that one of the main reason is because of all the situation lately. But I don't think that you should be worried about, because if you actually believe in the XRP for the long term and you're not a trader but you're actually focusing on investing, so you shouldn't be worried about small ups and downs of 1 day or 2 days. Okay, it's important to stay aware, but look at for the long term. And as I told you in the beginning of the video, in my opinion, it will take a big part of our economy in the future, not just because of how easy it to use, but actually because it's very efficient and profitable to use, because it costs much less fees and it's much more safe. I would totally recommend you to read about the XRP and XRP competitors to have a better understanding about the crypto market and actually understand if you want to take a big part of this revolution. Another thing that I forgot to say is that right now in the world we have around 100 billion XRPs, and they are not all open to the market, so actually they're just slowly released by the company to the public. Now after you buy, it's very recommended that you won't keep the money into the exchange market, so for example in here it's Binance, but actually withdraw it to your crypto wallet. So you should actually go to the wallet, then click on the overview. Then after you get to this screen, you actually click on withdraw, and then you choose how much you want to withdraw from every currency, and then choose the network that you want to use, and then it will get into your Trezor wallet. Now if you want to learn more and to have full tutorials, you can just click on the link below of the Trezor wallet, and you will see that they have explanation about everything. It will actually probably help you with all you need. Now, as I said in the beginning of this video, the XRP is a much more advanced and much faster network than the Ethereum and Bitcoin blockchain, which as I said can make between 5 to 20, but actually in the Ripple they can make up to 1,500 transactions per second, and they can make even more. So if you're looking on the XRP as a trading point, I don't know if it will be the best thing for you. It depends on your risk tolerance, but if you're looking for the long term about investing, I would totally recommend you to read about it before you start to invest in order to make a better and educated decision. If you're interested to buy the XRP, I would totally recommend you to actually not just buying it and keep it in an exchange, but actually to store it in a hardware wallet, which you can actually keep it safely and then sleep tight at night, which you can do it in the Trezor wallet, which you can get in our links down below. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered in this video, and subscribe to our Crypto Gems channel so you can get more content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey.